forgotten 1965 Mustang, a full mechanical rebuild. From ruin, a shining red.
This Mustang, once pristine, now rests shattered and torn, with new upholstery meticulously replacing the old. This abandoned Mustang hides a secret. Beneath the surface, vital parts are missing. The rebuild begins, piece by piece. A corroded patch on the Mustang's carburetor needs replacing. The welder fuses the new metal with intense heat. The new panel is aligned and seated precisely. From barn junk to beauty. A full restoration, gleaming with pride. A true car show winner. Starting with the engine bay, carefully disconnecting the wiring. Next, a deep clean of the interior, removing all dust and grime. Finally, detailing the seats to restore their original look. This forgotten Mustang engine, once silent, now awakens with a thunderous roar. Feel the power surge, a mechanical beast reborn. This is the heart of a Mustang restoration. Now, for factory color matching, we use original specs to ensure every detail is an authentic match. This pipe's solid now, time to find the headers. Ah, there they are, perfect match for the 66. Finally got you. These Mustang parts are ready for install. The finished exhaust system, transformed and ready. This Mustang's undercarriage was submerged. Every component assessed for corrosion. The rust is sanded. Now, primer is applied to the bare metal. This seals the surface, ensuring the new paint will bond properly. All right, let's get this engine seated. Ready? Here's the wrench. Perfect. Torque it down. Closing it up now. This rust is coming off clean. Look at that shine underneath. Welcome back to the shop. Check out our restored 65 Mustang. We use powder coating for a superior durable finish. It's a game changer for restoration. For this Mustang restoration, we're using this authentic OEM part. It fits perfectly, just like the original. All right, time to zinc coat this bolt. Let it soak for a moment. Perfect, nice even coating. Just a drop to prime it. Now it's ready for the line. All right, time for the big reveal. Check out this beauty. The platform really shows it off. This block's ready for the new heads. Got to torque it right for the rebuild. Polished and ready for concours. Let's check the ports. Perfect flow, a winner.
Clean as a whistle, this rebuild is solid. All right, let's hit the road and see what she's got. Listen to that growl, she's alive.
A barn find waiting to be reborn. Meticulous restoration brings out its true potential. From dust to glory, a show car legend.